Good morning, viewers. I hope all are doing great. Abhi sabke Nagamis news the update welcome kore ase. Combined Technical Association and Nagaland Net Qualified Forum clarify reason for protest. Member of C10 and NNQF briefing the press on Saturday in Kohima. The Combined Technical Association of Nagaland, C10 and the Nagaland Net Qualified Forum on Saturday clarified that their opposition to the observation of 147 contractual assistant professor has got nothing to do with the letter's qualification but the mode of appointment. तो तहान तो oppose करा तो ले सिर्फ mode of appointment ला पड़े तहान कोता करे से तो letters qualification ला system ला पड़े कोता करा न होए तहान ला इतो कोता करा ला पड़े ले इतो appointment ला basis ला पड़े ऐसे. Addressing a press conference in Kohima, the protester pointed out that even to sit for the Common Educational Service Examination CESE in Nagaland, a candidate should be NET or PhD qualified. They also addressed statement made by Minister for Technical and Higher Education, Temjinimna Along. In a recent YouTube interview, they refuted several points raised by the minister concerning the ongoing issue of alleged backdoor appointment and the regularization within the department. To do related update kan alag ase. Representative from C10 and NNQ challenged Along's assertion regarding special dispensation, arguing that it only applies to individuals recruited through legitimate process, which they claim is not the case in the current issue. To legitimate process pray kiba kuro lage kwase. They emphasize the importance of upholding the law and warned that the granting special dispensation in this instance could set a dangerous precedent for future appointment in other government department too. तो itu government itu department la upor eneka hoi thakile to alag department bi effect hobo future day, not only educational department alag health department khanti bi eneka effect hobo pare kona tahane na ko ase. Furthermore, the association cautioned that minister's definition of backdoor appointment, asserting that any public appointment made without open advertisement fall under this category. The challenge Along to clarify his understanding of term in the light of current controversy. तो तान challenge करे ऐसे जो टेम्पजनिम ना Along के ये तो clarify करबो करने. ये तो first update आसे आरो विषय update viral हुआ से मोई short इतो आपन के जनाई देव पारे ऐसे. First second update तो इनका से second update here. Nagaland artist Naga artist kanto international art exhibition Delhi te participate kurise. To Sishalu Vedio noted that artists from Nagaland has joined the ongoing international art exhibition Painting Culture and Installation, titled Echoes from the Spotless Soul, from April 18 in New Delhi. Vedot's paintings work at the exhibition, including manifestation of a village boys' dream and Hornbill Festival. Her painting represented the beauty and aesthetic of Naga rich culture. The exhibition, which would continue till April 21, featured 29 talented national and international artists from Pondicherry, UK, Chhattisgarh, Nagaland, New Delhi, Hungary, Kolkata, Uttar Pradesh, Poland, Gujarat, Gurgaon, Bangalore, Chennai, Punjab, Bolivia, San Francisco, Kerala and Patna. तो अलग-अलग state होली भी और international level होली भी national level होली भी participate करो पर ऐसे participate खान और इन्हें art exhibition competition दे नागालैंड ला मानो हमें ने participate करो तो बिशी एक ता भाल update ऐसे एक ता भाल खबर ऐसे तो ने मो short जनाई दे ऊपर ऐसे.